think I'm gonna go work on this barn a little bit. I got some batten strips cut and they've been drying for a while, and not that they needed to, but I've just been busy with other stuff. I think I'm gonna go slap some trim and some battens on this side. Gonna have a lot of fun today. Get to use the nail gun. Hello everyone and welcome back. Wanted to talk a little bit about the blade that's on this saw. I was using a Turbo 7-degree blade for cutting oak, and it was working marvelous. I mean, just a wonderful blade for a really hard wood like that. But I find on this saw anyway, when I cut softer wood like poplar and pine, it leaves a lot of ridges in it. And I've played around with my speed. A lot of people say to speed up or slow down, or mainly speed up to get rid of those, but I never was able to get rid of them in a softer wood like that. So I'm putting this Ripper 37 10-degree blade back on, and man, I'll tell you, that is the deal for this softer wood. It is a very nice blade. So I'm learning a lot about this stuff, and I'm learning that you just have to change for your conditions and to get, you know, nicer cuts and to produce better products. I'm going to put a fresh blade on there. This one's cut a bunch of oak, and I can feel it. I'm going to put one of them Ripper 37 10 degrees on here for this poplar. I think that's going to be the ticket. So I got these two right here are kind of garbage. Got a lot of wane on them, but I might be able to use them for something, a short piece or something. There's 2 slabs there, which I'll probably get 3 out of each one, so that's 6 more. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I think there's 9 on the back, so I got 17. Should have just about the right amount.
Well, when I woke up, she was looking at me. She told me I've been cheating on her in her dream. Lord, it wasn't a thing I could do or say to change her mind in any way. She told me that things was gonna change. If I wanted her, I couldn't stay the same. So I stopped going out on Friday nights. I stopped drinking with the boys. Yeah, everything she asked I left in the past, just to try to bring her joy. For the record, it can't be understated, all I've been domesticated. She told me to top off her Jeep, the one I bought her when I sold my old GT. And I bumped in to my good friend, and he asked me where the hell had I been. So I told him what she told me. If I didn't change, she was gonna leave. So I stopped going down on Friday nights. I stopped drinking with the boys. Everything she asked I left in the past, just to try to bring her joy. For the record, it can't be understated, I'm domesticated.
Alright guys, I got her done on this one side. I think it looks pretty good. Pretty happy with it. I will say one thing, I cut the battens a while ago and I let them air dry inside the barn here. And they're not getting enough air movement in there apparently, because they got all moldy. So I ended up cutting new ones this morning. And when I do the other side, I'm going to cut them and hang them in the same day. I think it works the best. And then let Mother Nature do what she's going to do with it. But probably a third of that today was cut. It was at a log this morning and cut and hung. And it's heavier that way, but it nails up good because it doesn't split. And it's just, I think, the way to do it. Unless you have a good method for, you know, air drying, which I don't yet. I need to put it out here and get some roofing tin. Pretty happy with it. I'm going to start on the other side here pretty soon, and I'll take you along on that too. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and I'm glad you came along with me. And please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It really helps the channel out, and hopefully I can keep making my content better for y'all. See you on the next one.